Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all will be fit and fat. I'm also good. So it is your English class and I'm your English teacher Humaira Khan. This is our lecture 7 and our today's topic is words with syllables. Students, as I have told you that accurate pronunciation is very much important for you. So here we are first reading a paragraph, okay? After reading the paragraph, we will move forward. The king pigeon tried to stop the young pigeons from going down. They did not listen. The young pigeons were hungry, and so they came down. Wow, the party was fun. Now let us fly away. Oops, what is this? Why can't we fly? Ooh, it hurts. The pigeons were trapped in the net. What to do? So students, this was a kind of short story. I told you this story, I read this story with expressions. Students, if you will read the paragraph, so you can simply pronounce the words with the help of syllables. Students, here I have taken some words from this story and I have divided it into parts. When we divide a word into parts, so those parts are called syllables. Like for example, if we divide a word into two parts, so it means that that word has two syllables. If a word can be divided into four parts, so it means that that word has four syllables. So now let's read it. Drill of different words with syllables. Number 1 is pigeon. Pigeon. It's the word pigeon. Pigeon is having two syllables. We can't divide it further. Okay, the second one word is hungry. Hungry. So hungry can also be divided into two parts, so it means that hungry has also two syllables. Trapped. Trapped. We cannot break this word, so it is having one syllable. Listen. 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 Listen, we can divide listen in two parts, so it means that it has two syllables. Young. Young. We cannot divide this word in further parts, so it has one syllable. Fun. Fun. We also cannot divide fun in further parts, so fun is also having one syllable. Now students, let's practice some more words. Display, photo, solar, global, table, entertainment. Now students, we will find out that how many syllables these words have. So let's find it out. Display. Display. It means that display has two syllables. Display has two syllables. Photo. Photo. Photo has also two syllables. Solar. Solar. Solar has also two syllables. Global. Global. Global has also two syllables. Table. Table. Table has also 2 syllables. Entertainment. Entertainment has also 2 syllables. No, entertainment has 4 syllables. Entertainment. It is having 4 syllables. Okay, students? Now, students, what is verb? Do you know what is verb? A verb is a word that shows action. A verb is a word that shows action. In our previous class, I told you what is noun. Noun is a naming word. Okay, anything which has a name, so that name is called noun. As door, chair, table, Sabah, Asad, these all are nouns. Now here in this one class, in this one lesson, we have verb. A verb is a word that shows action. Now you can see here the examples. So you can see here the examples. Jumping girl. The girl is jumping. So you can clearly see here that the verbs are in pink color. The verbs are in pink color. Jumping girl. So jumping is verb. Why? Because it is action. It is action. The baby sleeps. The baby sleeps. You can simply identify the verb because it is in pink color. The baby sleeps. Now look at to the third one example. A man eats a burger. A man eats a burger. Now eats is in pink color, so simply it is a verb. And what is the main action? He is eating. He is putting burger in his mouth. Okay, so it means that he is eating it, so it is his action. The action of the baby is sleeping and the action of the girl is jumping. Okay, students? Now look at to this one slide. A word that tells what someone or something does. An action word or word of being. Verb is an action word or word of being. Okay, students? As I explained you in the previous slide. Now look at to the examples. Sit, laugh, run, jump. Okay, students? Like for example, she is sitting. So sitting is verb. She is laughing. You can see in the picture that the girl is laughing. There is also written there he. Okay, it means that she is laughing. Okay. Then you can see in the other picture what the boy is doing. The boy is doing something. What is he doing? Who will tell me? Very good. The boy is running. The boy is running. Very good. And if someone is jumping, so you can simply say he is jumping or he jumped. Okay. So I hope that this verb is clear to all of you. Now what you will do? You will take your storybook. Okay. You will read a storybook and then you will find out verbs in it. So you will do practice also and it will be very clear to you then that what is verb. Okay, you can take any of the book. You can take your social studies book, you can take your science book, you can take your English book, read a paragraph and underline and find out verbs in it. Okay, students, so it was our today's lesson. It is enough for today. Take care of yourself, take care of your parents, take care of the people around you. Stay safe, stay home. Allah Hafiz and goodbye.